4 ways to cargo your goods from Saudi Arabia. These are: number 1, DHL, Aramex and FedEx. Number 2, door-to-door cargo through sea. Number 3, door-to-door cargo through air. Number 4, cargo through Saudi Post. Number 1, DHL, Aramex and FedEx. The price for a 30 kg package to Pakistan through DHL is 2,400 Riyal. The price for a 30 kg package to India through DHL is 2,400 Riyal, which is quite expensive. Now for another option. Number 2, door-to-door cargo through sea. The door-to-door cargo service by sea picks the goods from your place in Saudi Arabia and delivers them to the destination country, whether it is India, Pakistan or any other country. Estimated delivery time is 40 to 50 days. Price for door-to-door cargo from Saudi Arabia to India is 3.5 Riyal per kg, and for Pakistan it is the same rate. There are insurance costs as well as extra costs for electric parcels such as a fridge. They also take extra money if someone wants to get their parcel wrapped properly in plastic. The door-to-door cargo from Saudi Arabia is a much better and cheaper option. You can find these door-to-door cargo services in Saudi Arabia everywhere. Now for the third option, door-to-door cargo through air. The same companies which provide the services of door-to-door cargo through sea also offer air cargo services. Estimated delivery time are 15 to 25 days. Price for door-to-door cargo from Saudi Arabia to India and Pakistan is 8 Riyals per kg. Now the fourth and final option is cargo through Saudi Post. Saudi Post provides solutions to cargo your goods to India, Pakistan, Philippines, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka with full tracking at a cheap price. You can also use Saudi Post calculator to check its shipment rates. Cargo price to India: for 1 kg it is 189 Riyal and for 5 kg it is 140 Riyal. Cargo rates to Pakistan are 1 kg parcel to Pakistan 147 Riyal and 5 kg parcel to Pakistan is 140 Riyal. For detailed information, please follow the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on our other social media platforms.